In this video, you'll learn how to make an app on bubble.io in just a few minutes, so you can turn your idea into a fully working web app without writing any code. First, go to bubble.io and sign up for a free account. Click New App, give it a name, and choose whether to start from a template or a blank canvas. Bubble will take you straight into the visual editor. Next, explore the editor layout. On the left, you'll find the Elements panel, in the middle is your design canvas, and on the right is the property editor where you can customize every part of your app with ease. Now, start designing your app. Drag and drop elements like buttons, input fields, text, images, and containers onto the canvas. Adjust colors, fonts, and spacing to create a clean, professional interface that looks great on any device. After that, set up your database. Go to the Data tab, create data types like users, products, or posts, and add fields to store all the information your app needs to function smoothly and dynamically. Once your design and data are ready, build your logic using the workflow editor. Add actions like signups, logins, form submissions, and payments so your app can respond to users in real time without any coding. And that's it. Your app is now built on bubble.io, fully functional, scalable, and ready to launch to real users anywhere in the world.